Hello, my name is Jose Blackerby, and I am here today to talk to you about Data Adventures. Data Adventures is a project that is funded by the U.S. Department of Education, and it's led by the Santa Clara County Office of Education. And
Data is not a four-letter word.
Hi everyone, I'm Jill. I'm the co-founder and CEO of CoGrader. We love data at CoGrader.
Data is not a four-letter word.
Hi everyone, I'm Jill. I'm the co-founder and CEO of CoGrader. We love data at CoGrader.
our merry group of collaborators from multiple institutions who all see data as the future and see data in unusual and unexpected ways and believe that it can help kids and help all of us. The basic idea behind Data Adventures is that we recognize that there was an increasing amount of data in the world and that we use it every single day in all kinds of different ways, and that that was important for us to function in work and important for us to function in school, and that it was really going to become increasingly important for everyone. We also knew that data was a little scary to some people, and we wanted to demystify that. And part of the way of demystifying it is we are already using it. We use it when we go shopping. We use it when we communicate, when we make a reservation, when we plan for the future, when we write our text. All of those instances, we are using data to make decisions whether we know it or not. Another really interesting thing is that there is this field now called data science, and there are lots and lots of people who are getting jobs as data scientists, and these are people who have specialized skills in analyzing data and presenting data and solving problems with data. And that's going to be important for people who are in those fields, but it's also going to be important for all of us, and that's why we want to help kids think about data and think about it creatively. And we are familiar with lots of common things like bar charts and graph charts and dot charts and things like that, but there are lots of other ways to present data, and we see them in infographics, and they can be hand-drawn or computer generated, or sky is really the limit in the way we can use it. In Data Adventures, we believe in inclusive design, and one of the ways that we achieve that is through using a framework called Universal Design for Learning. It's been around for a while, and there's some updates coming this summer, but the basic idea is that we want to build Data Adventures to take advantage of all the diversity in the ways students take in information, are motivated by information, and act on information. We also want to embrace and model the principles of design thinking, where we really try to understand what the needs are, we try to define the problem well, and then we iterate on potential solutions. So we think jazzed about seeing creative, immersive experiences and escape rooms, and we thought that might be a good way to get us into data, understand data, and have an engaging experience. So let's give it a go. So here's Joy. Meet Joy. Joy shows up in all kinds of different places. Joy is in all of our hearts. We see joy in others. We want to produce joy. It is important for us to make sense of the world and to feel motivated and connected and centered. And it is super, super important. And getting more of it is always something we want to do. So let's engage this story here. So Joy is lost a bit, and she really, really needs us. She needs to refine her identity. She needs to refine who she is, and one of the ways that she's needs to do that is through rediscovering music and rediscovering slang. Okay, so let's get into an escape room and see if we can help Joy, find her groove, and find her voice. Are you interested? Of course you are. Okay, the first challenge is going to be about helping Joy find her voice. And part of that is to understand the language that she uses that's around her, and it allows her to communicate, it gives her some identity, she understands others, and so she needs to get our help to understand different ways of looking at language and understanding it. Turns out that there are so many amazing ways to think about language. So here are internet search terms that have changed over time, and you can see that it's giving is up, and there is up, but Nepo Baby is down over time. You can also look back and present how slang looked at another time. In the 80s, here's a periodic table of different kinds of slang that were used way back in the 80s. You can also look at slang in a interactive animation. So here are different kinds of slang for different kinds of participants from South Africa. Our next area, which is music. Now, music is something that almost everybody likes and is engaged by. Music does so many things. It entertains us, it transports us, it calms us. There are an unbelievable number of different types of music all around the world, and they give us meaning, they give us hope, they help our moods, they help our health, and there are lots of ways to understand music through data and data about music. So one of those ways is simply to look at existing data, like thinking about how popular particular artists are at different times. Or, for example, looking at how musical tastes differ around the world. Another thing that could happen is that we might be interested in understanding our Joy's own tastes. So here is a graph of frequency of songs that were played. So Joy could understand her listening patterns and understand what other things she might like and understand it a little bit better. So with your help, if you come and we go through these adventures, I think we can help Joy. I think we can help her understand music. I think we can help her understand language and voice, generate insight for her and for ourselves, understand data a little bit better, and then also think about how we could apply it in our own contexts. So the experiences are in the last part of the exploration in going through about how you can build an escape room that you can use in your own classroom, your own workplace, whatever. It'll be the DIY, but you'll walk out of it with a toolkit and some ideas that you can go apply and maybe even bring some more joy. So I and the team I work with really hope that you come and join us on this great adventure. It'll be a learning experience. You'll come away with something, understand data, have some fun. Please say yes to new adventures, and we look forward to seeing you in March.